Alright guys, this is day 15 of the 24-day Advent Calendar Fishing Challenge. So let's go ahead and open it up. 15s are here. And we got... Oh! It's like a little... like a rooster tail kind of. Same thing kind of. So let's go ahead and tie this on.